Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3, chapter complex number, exercise 1, and we are at question number 20 here. Okay. The question, we have been given a complex number, x is a complex number and the value is given to us and we have to find the value of an expression of the complex number, higher powers of complex number. Okay. So as we can see the solution. So actually, before we get to the solution, this question can be solved in few more ways, some of the ways that we already know about. For example, x is equal to 5 minus root 3i and then divided by 2. So let me take 2 this side and then 2x minus 5 is equal to root 3i minus root 3i. If I square both sides, I get 4x square plus 25 minus 20x is equal to 3i square, which is minus 3. 5 into 2. Okay. Now bringing everything to one side, 4x square plus 20x, minus 20x plus 28 is equal to 0, dividing by 4. So I get 5x square minus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. So we know an expression which gives us 0. And I think this technique has been used before. You may have done it in your initial classes. So I am just discussing it because sometimes what happens is we want to learn new things and we tend to forget what we already know. So x4 minus x cube minus 12x square plus 23x plus 12. So let's divide it by this expression, which is 5x squared minus 4x plus 7. I am trying to write this in form of something which I know is already 0. This is x squared I divided by 4 now. I cannot start with this. So I divide by 4 throughout. So I get x squared minus 5x plus 7. X squared minus 5x plus 7. Okay. So x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x square plus minus, so minus 19x square and plus 4x square plus 23x. Now what is going to be the next term? Next term is plus 4x. So 4x x cube. So x square. 4x cube and then minus 20x square. And all right, do not get confused. I am simply doing division of polynomial, which you have to not forget. So this is minus 5x and see the magic. What has happened? This is equal to 1. So x squared minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 5. So what does this mean? This expression that is given to us is what? This is, if I call this whole thing as, let's say, a, then this is equal to a into x square plus 4x x squared x over, no? This will be x plus 4x plus 1 plus 5. So this is equal to something into this. And we know the value of a is 0. So this is nothing but 0. The final value is going to be 5. So this we have been learning from when you studied about division. When you studied about division of polynomial, this was the concept that you can use. But since we are in complex number, how do we solve it using complex number? So that is the question here, but we should not forget. this concept as well. So this is 1 by 2. Let's write it like this. 5 minus root 3i divided by 2. Okay, so most of these questions are going forward, or a long question like this, it will be useful if we introduce omega into it. We know the value of omega. So this is 6. I have added 1, so I should subtract 1 minus root 3i. And everything is divided by 2 divided by 2. So now you know this is 3 minus omega. We have to remember the value of omega is this. So what is this? This is equal to x. So what you can now do is you substitute the value of x with 3 minus omega. So entire expression gets converted into omega, and we know the property of omega. We can use that. Or x is given to us in a complex number, right? Find out square, find out cube, find out fourth power, and then you substitute. So there are many ways which we are comfortable. One of the ways that is discussed here is you convert x into 3 minus omega, and then you go ahead. This is a simpler method that we have been doing since 9th standard. And this one is simply brute force. Just complex number is given, find its squares, and then substitute the value. So anything is fine. All right. Thank you.